we're back out here at Venture on 12th Place. Now this beautiful property, the last time we were here, was getting an exterior coat of paint. So they did add that beautiful cream and charcoal paint to the outside. It looks fantastic. And of the 30 units, we now have 14 units that are vacant and ready to be demoed. So Danny, our construction manager, and his team are getting ready to start demoing those 14 units. Now what they normally start with is gonna be things like cabinets, carpets, the toilets. They just rip all those things out to get ready to get the new beautiful stuff put in there. Next up, also, they have dumpsters being delivered, so they'll have beautiful new dumpsters coming in. And then they're really just gonna start working on that demo and getting those 14 units ready to go. The rest of the units will be ready soon, and we will have more updates for you guys coming really soon for Venture on 12th Place.